So hello guys, today we are going to unbox this beautiful train that is simply not a train but a domino train. Let's get into it. So here's the box, colorful box with train and dominoes shown. Let's open it and let's see what we get. So there's a train wrapped in a plastic. Oh, it looks so cool, man. There's a tree, and there is this domino holder which we will put in on the train. Oh, here's dominoes. As you can see, all this content. Now we are putting batteries on the train. So it will start. It needs two AA batteries, as you can see. Let's cover it. Oh, it's done. Now let's start. Where's the button? Oh, here it is. Oh, it's working. You see the mechanism in it, and it's done. Now let us add the dominoes. 1, 2. Oh, it's done. Okay. And stop. Whoa. It looks so cool, man. Like the mechanism working in it, putting all the dominoes in it, and it's going all the way. Looks so cool. Oh. And 1, 2, 3. Woo. Second time. Let's do it again. Now with different colors. The mechanism in it is so cool. Oh, the train itself broke the domino line. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.